Most entrepreneurs I work with aren't stuck because they're lazy or unskilled. They're stuck because they're trying to think through everything alone. You got too many ideas. There's too many tools to try to get it all done. There's not enough clarity, and that leads to a decision fatigue. And quite honestly, hiring somebody or bringing in a partner to sit next to you can just be expensive and really kind of eat at your own profits that you're trying to make yourself. And that's where AI can really start to become a solution for you. And AI isn't here; it's not here to replace your judgment. It's here to strengthen it. I want you to reframe a little bit how you think about AI. You think of AI as a thinking partner. It is that person sitting next to you that has a great deal of expertise in a lot of different areas that you might not necessarily have expertise to help you kind of think through and figure some of these pieces out. You can use AI for clarity and planning and execution, right? If there's something that you don't understand, hey, how do I do this in my QuickBooks to balance? And, but AI can help figure that out for you. You don't have to have that expertise, but it can help you execute and get things done. And while automation can be really good, this is not about automation hype, right? And automating everything that you do in your business so that you don't have to do anything. And it's not about content spam, right? I don't want you to be looking at that either, too. I see too many people say, hey, write me a blog post about XYZ, when really the end result can just be very shallow content that you just put out and just muddies up the system. You can use it to create great content. And this is why the AI powered entrepreneur lab exists. It exists to help you make better decisions faster. In all of our elements, we really deal with strategy first, right? We want to help you kind of figure out what are the things that you need to do to really build and grow your business. And then we look at tools second, right? There are a lot of great AI powered tools out there, but those are secondary in nature to just the strategies. The strategy piece comes first. And then within the labs too, there's a great deal of support and feedback. Essentially, I'm here to help you kind of figure out and learn how to implement this stuff. And you're not alone in it. You've got somebody with you to help you figure it out. And there's multiple entry points into this. So really for whatever level you're at, there's a very low cost membership level where you can be part of a group where we're talking about and working on implementing these things on a regular basis. There's the business blueprint, which is a one-time session where we really sit down and just hammer out strategy and whatever you need for your business to help you kind of give you some direction to grow and generate more revenue. And that's something that I work with you on one-on-one to help you work out and implement. And then there's our Accelerator, which is a kind of a cohort-based session, which will run for a couple of months, and with regular meetings and check-in points and stuff too, where we do deep dives and work together to grow our businesses, leveraging the power of the AI tools. So this whole thing, this is for entrepreneurs, consultants, freelancers, and small business owners who want to build something real and not chase tactics. This is also not for anybody who's into get rich quick schemes. This is not passive income hype. And this is not done for you promises that you could just kind of turn a key and kick back and hope that everything just starts, rolling in the dollars for you. So if you really want support, structure, and smarter tools to help you move forward, explore the AI Entrepreneur Lab and start where it makes the most sense for you.